So here I have my skirt. I'm now going to overlock along that top edge. Now that's done, I've flipped the skirt over so that it's right side facing upwards. I've taken my facing. I'm going to lay my facing on top so that the right side of the facing is touching the right side of the skirt. And I'm going to pin those two seams together to align them. And I'm going to do that on the other side as well. So I'm going to pin those two seams. I've put two horizontal pins approximately 2 centimeters away from that edge. That is where I'm going to sew from start to finish. Back tacking at the beginning and back tacking at the end. So now that facing is attached, I'm going to iron the facing upwards and making sure that the seam allowance is pointing towards the facing hem. So next I'm going to top stitch my facing in place. It just gives it a nice neat finish by increasing the stitch length to 3.5 or 4. I'm going to start approximately 2 centimeters away from that edge. I'm going to align my presser foot so that my needle can get really close to that seam. I'm going to back tack at the beginning. And then I'm going to sew along that very seam edge to attach the seam allowance to the facing. When I get to the end, I'm going to stop approximately 2 centimeters away and back tack again. And now trim all my loose threads.